Yeah.
Yo, this is Top Flight, and we're back on our journey of checking out music we have not heard from back in the day, or even bands we just haven't heard as rappers. So this is Yes, owner of a lonely heart. So
I don't know if I've heard this. What is the band called? Yes?
Yes.
I guess you're answering a question with an answer. All right. Let's run it. Let's see what this is all about. I'm excited. Let's dive in. This is our daytime recording, first time in a while. Sounds like an 80s song I've heard or something in one of them old movies or something.
Yeah, it has that vibe.
I have heard this somewhere. I've heard this hook. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
I ain't gone. Maybe there's another way to do this.
What'd you say?
The drop sounded familiar when he held the note. It kind of sounded familiar.
I don't know where I heard it, but I heard it somewhere in my life. That's So what is the concept of the animals? Is it like everyone's a animal?
I'm trying to figure out because I get the song was based on the basically being the owner of a lonely heart is a person that's out of a relationship. So I get that understanding. I was trying to tie it to the video, which the only thing I could kind of come up with was when he went inside the building. I'm guessing it's like a toxic relationship type feel. And then until he freed himself at the top and jumped and freed himself of all the messed up stuff. And then now he's back out on the dating scene with the walking. That's the only thing I could kind of tie out. Like he's out, but he's back, like, just, and now he's just going to do the opposite of everybody else. That's why he's walking the opposite way. That's what I took from it. I don't know exactly what it meant, but that's what I kind of like gathered it from the idea of the song being based on like the owner of a lonely heart, being that it's better off to be that than in something messed up or stuck inside of something messed up.
Because I even get the concept of the snake, but I sometimes when you throw in the iguana and the eagle, it's kind of like soar high. I don't know the iguana. Like there was different animals. Like everyone kind of turned into an animal. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, that was dope. What tell us below what this is about, and should we keep going?
That beat is reckless, though. That beat is one of them ones, though.
Well, you think of like labels, and they're like, okay, I wonder who the lead of that voice is. You know what I mean? That high pitched, that 80s voice, because everyone had it. That, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
like,
that style, like, because that style is a dope style.
And then the next generation was that voice we like. That
Yeah. In the 90s. Oh, that's dope. That's dope.
Let's keep it going. Like, subscribe, comment. Shout out to
Yes.
And shout out to Yes.